Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. काल परम शोभन है। वेल डन, क्या अच्छा पढ़ता है रे, बहुत मजा आ गया। यर्हेवा जन जन्मर्क्षं शांतर्क्षग्रह तारकम्. All the grahas, all the tarakas, all the stars, everything wants to move into auspicious positions to be able to get the darshanam of this Krishna avatara. Yarheva ajana janmarksham. Ajana janmarksham. Aja. Ajana means not having a birth, but Ja is to be born. A is Vishnu. Who is born from Vishnu? Brahma is born from Vishnu. Brahma's ruling star is Rohini. So Ajana Janmarksham. Beautiful, no? Ajana Janmarksham. Saying two things at the same time. That he doesn't have to be born. He is always there. Therefore, Aja. Ajobi san avyayatma. But the other meaning is Brahma's ruling nakshatra. Like Rudra's ruling nakshatra is Arudra nakshatram, no? Ardra nakshatram bhavati Rudro devata. Similarly, Brahma's ruling star is Rohini. He is being born in Rohini. Okay. Harihe vajana janmarksham disha prasedur gaganam. All the dishas. There are 10 directions, no? In one angle, each of those 10 directions are ruled by goddesses. Okay. They are the Patnis or Devaganas. But because Kamsa's rule, just like Ravana, Kamsa has captured all these Devas. So all these Disha Devatas, the goddesses, are happy. Oh, Krishna Avataram has come. Kamsa will be destroyed. All the Devas will be free. We will be reunited with our husband. So they are delighted, super delighted. Disha Prase Durgaganam Nirmalodu Ganodayam. Udugana, all the stars. Stars are happy. Earth is happy. Mahim Mangala Bhuyishtha. Mahim Mangala Bhuyishtha. Even in Rama Avataram, right? Akamayata Medinim. So Mahim Mangala Bhuyishtha Puragrama Brajakara Nadya Prasanna Salila. All the rivers, the waters are clear. Hridha Jalaruha Shriyaha. The rivers have clear water, the lakes have clear water. The Vyakhyanakartas give us the deeper meaning. Arey, this is rainy season, Baba. You know, right? It's when he is going towards Gokula, it's going to be raining heavily. It's rainy season, Shravana Masam. But all the hridas, all the waters, all the ponds will be clear when? In Sharat Ritu. It is a feature of Sharat Ritu, but that good Shobhanam feature of Sharat Ritu has appeared now to witness Krishna Avataram. Okay. Dvijali Kula Sannada. All the birds are singing. When do the birds sing? Kaka Krishna, Pika Krishna, Kabeda, Pika Kaka Yoho. There's a Subhashita. The crow is black, the cuckoo is black. What is the difference? And the Subhashita answers, Basanta Kale Gayanti Kaka Kaka Pika Pika. Wait for the spring season. Then you listen to the beautiful music of what the kokila, bird, what the cuckoo sings, and look at what the crow does. That time you will know. The best feature of Vasanta has come now. Dvijali Kula Sannada Stabaka Vanarajaya Vabhavayu Sukasparsha. When it is harsh summertime, at night, the wind blows, it is very cooling. The best feature of summer has come. Vabhavayu Sukasparsha Punyagandha Vahasuchi Agnayascha Dvijati Nam Hrida Jalaruhashriyah. All the lotuses are in bloom. When do the lotus bloom? Lotus blooms early morning when it sees the sunlight. It is night time, midnight. The lotuses are blooming because they want to see Krishna Avatar. It's beautiful. This chapter, there is so much Vyakhyanam, we can do 90 days of chapter 3 only. அவ்வளவு நல்லா இருக்கும். Every yugas, for every yuga, there is one beautiful Shobhanam. Okay, what is the best path for each yuga to reach that big divinity? You guys know, Dhyayan Krite, Yajan Yagnyahi, Tretayam, Dwapare Archayan, Yadapnoti Tadapnoti, Kalau Keshava Kirtanat. அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஸ்லோகம் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். தியான யோகம், அஷ்டாங்க யோகம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, யமம் நியமம் ஆசன பிராணாயாமம், that is the best path for Satyugam. Dhyayan Krite, Krita Yugam. In the north they call it Satyuga. In the south they call it Krita Yuga. Okay, what happens then? Because you are doing pratyaharam, because you are doing dharanam, because you are doing dhyanam, your mind becomes at peace, calm, unshaken. Manam syasan prasannani. It is the best feature of Krita Yuga. Satyugam has come for Krishna Avataram. Okay. Similarly, what is the next one? Dhyayan Krite Yajan Yagnyahi Tretayam. The best part in Treta Yugam is to do all different yagas. This is Dwapara Yugam, Krishna Avataram. But Agnayascha Dvijatinam Shantastatra Samindhate. There's one angle. There's many such perspectives to enjoy Krishna Avatara Ghattam. But this one angle they have enjoyed. All the best Shobhanam of all the Kala Parama Shobhana, all the Rutus are showering their best Shobhanams. All the Yugas are showering their best Shobhanams. Jayamane Jane Tasmin Nedur Dundubayo Divi. Okay. What is the best for Kali Yuga? Jaguhu Kinnara Gandharva. Kalau Sankirtya Keshavam. Okay, Jaguhu means they're singing. They're all doing Nama Sankirtana for Krishna Avataram. Jaguhu Kinnara Gandharva Tushtu Siddhacharana Vidyadharyascha Nanrutuhu Apsaro Visamam Tadha. All the Devas are showering divine flowers. Sumanamsi Mudhanvitaha, with great happiness. Mandam Jaladhara Jagarjuhu Anusagaram. There is an ocean of happiness, of Ananda, called Shirabdi. It's an analogy. When we say God is resting on a grand ocean of milk, what do we mean? There is an Ananda Sagara. In that Ananda Sagara, there is this Parabrahma Swarupa. Adisesha Ananta Shayana. Adisesha. That Guru will lead you to that Ananda Sagaram, to that Parabrahma Swarup. So because he lives in the ocean, this Jaladhara means clouds. The clouds have all gone. Jagarjuhu Anusagaram. They have gone to the Sagaram. And they have said, oh, this great God lives in you. Now he is doing Avataram as Devaki Nandana, Krishnaya Vasudevaya, Devaki Nandanayacha. So we have come to pay our respects to you, because we are going to go. When he is playing the flute, we are going to stay there on top. So he's got some nice cover to protect him from the harsh sun. And if required, we will gently sprinkle some of this water. They're already planning all these Krishna Leelas. Mandam Jaladhara Jagarjuhu Anusagaram Nishite. Janardhana means one who prevents the need for any of us to have any further janmas. That is a blessing he gives. Mokshamicchet Janardhanat. Shankarat Jnanamanvichet. Bhagavatam Shlokam only. You're going to get the true Jnana from Shankara, from Shiva. And you're going to get moksham from Janardana. Moksham means what? No further birth. But that Janardana is taking birth as Krishna. So beautiful, no? The way they bring so many amazing things together. Nishite Tama Udbhute Jayamane Janardane Devakyam Avirasit. He just appeared in front. Darshanam. What darshanam? Adbhutam darshanam tam adbhutam. Adbhutam darshanam. Amazing darshan. Everything is amazing. Right from the way this Krishna Avataram has happened, every Leela, immediate Leelas that follow, the dungeon opens, all the chains open, all these guards are asleep. Maya was supposed to be born in Nanda Gokula in Yashoda's house. There, everybody is asleep. Nobody notices the exchanging of the child. Understandable, because she is there. What about here? Here also, everybody is asleep. See the reach of Maya. She can reach wherever she is. Doesn't matter. Tamadbhutam balakam. Balaka means child. But here, Ka means Brahma. Ka is the Bala. Ka is the child of this person. So he is Balaka. Tamadbhutam Balakam. Kam yasya Balaka yasya Balaka. Ambuje Kshanam. Ambuja. Ambuja means one who has born out of the water. Okay. Abbu means water. Ja means to be born. Who is born? Lakshmi Devi came from the ocean. So one of her names is Ambuja, Sri Devi. So Sri Devi is standing there with him. Okay. And also the earth. Abhyasambhuta Prithivyirasa Acha. You saw, no, in Purusha Suktam. Abhyasambhuta Prithvi. So the mother goddess Bhudevi is also with him. So in this avataram, when he is showing himself, he is showing himself as Vishnu with Sri Devi and Bhudevi. Tamadbhutam balakam ambuje kshanam chaturbhujam. Chaturbhujam. To show that this is not an ordinary child. Chaturbhujam. Shankha gada yudha yudham. Shankha, gadai. Gadai he has lifted. Normally, his gadai is down. Here he has lifted his gadai. Ready? If Kamsa comes, I am ready. Shankha Gada Yuda Yudham Sri Vatsa Lakshmam Galasho Vikaustubham Pitambaram Sandra Payoda Saubhagam. All ornaments, all beautiful Pitambara. So the mother doesn't feel, oh, I am in a dungeon. Otherwise, I would have brought some nice ornaments, nice clothes, nice playthings for the child. She doesn't have to feel any of that. He says, boss, whatever you wanted to give me, I have brought everything. See. Tamadbhutam balakam ambujekshanam chaturbhujam shankagadha yudhayudham srivatsa lakshmam. Always goddess of grace on his chest. Therefore, when he looks at us through the lens of grace, through the lens of Srivatsa. Galashobi Kaustubham. Kaustubha Mani is shining. That ornament is shining on his necklace. Kaustubha represents all the jivas. They are always close to his heart. Maharha Vaidhurya Kirita Kundala Tvisha Parishvakta Sahasra Kuntalam. His ornaments are shining, thousands of rays. He himself is shining. His ornaments are shining. His Pitambaram is shining. The whole area is shining. In that Virochamanam, in that halo, in that beautiful shining, Vasudeva Aikshata. Aikshata. Any avataram means what? The big devotees, they get darshanam. That is Krishna avataram. What is Krishna avataram? You are reading this particular chapter, you are reading this particular sloka, then in your heart, Krishna is giving darshanam. That is Krishna avatar. Vasudeva Aikshata. Premyana once did a long series of Vai Adbhutam. The fact that he is not born like a regular baby is Adbhutam. The fact that he has opened his eyes wide is Adbhutam, because newly born children don't. The fact that he is clothed and with all these ornaments is Adbhutam. The fact that Sri Devi Bhudevi is there is Adbhutam. The fact that he has 4 hands is Adbhutam. The fact that the just born child is going to talk to them is Adbhutam. The fact that he says, I can remember what happens in your previous Janma is Adbhutam. The fact that he's like, okay, if you're scared of Kamsa, take me to Gokula is Adbhutam. Everybody will be asleep, don't worry, is Adbhutam. All the chains will free themselves is Adbhutam. The fact that when they go, Yamuna parts and gives way is Adbhutam. The fact that Adisesha is holding himself as an umbrella is Adbhutam. He went on like that. He did the whole Dashamaskandam. Everything is Adbhutam. Right till speaking to us about the Gita. Everything is Adbhutam. Tam Adbhutam Balakam Ambuje Kshanau. Krishna Avatarotsava. Krishna Avatara Utsavam. This is an Utsava. This is a festival in our hearts. Even just reading the sloka, speaking about it, hearing it, we feel so happy and so excited. Imagine how happy and excited Vasudeva would have been. Sambhrama is super excited. So, in those days, the kings would give charity when a prince is born. So now he is in prison, so he is not able to do that. So in his mind, he decorated 10,000 Ayuta. Ayutam means 10,000. Ayutam Apluto Gavam, 10,000 cows were beautifully decorated with gold on their horns and donated. Ayutam Apluto Gavam Athainam Asthau Davadadya Purusham. Asthau means he worshipped because he knows. He knows that this is an avatar. He knows. Therefore, he is doing some worship. He is doing some prayer. Swarochisha Bharata. Bharata. This is Shukabrahma, because he's going to get lost in that ocean of happiness. He's pulling himself back to the material. He's pulling himself back to our world so he can continue saying the story. Once in a while, it will happen in Bhagavatam. He will find himself drowning in that Satchidananda Amrita Sagara. So he will say, Parikshit, Raja, Bharata, Kurunandana, something to pull himself back to the material so he can continue the conversation. So similarly here he is saying, Bharata is addressing Parikshit. Right in the middle of saying the story, Shukabrahma, the great Shukabrahma is saying, calling Parikshit, Parikshit, you know, that dungeon was supposed to be dark, Baba. It's midnight also, dark, but because of this child, Swarochisha, his own Jyotis, his own Tejas, is made the whole place so bright. Sutika Graham Virochayantam. Virochayantam. So, Param Nathanga, he has bent his head, this Vasudeva, just like Kapila Vasudeva's father, no? He didn't think of him as my child. He said, this is Bhagavad Avatar, my guru. He looked at him like that. Right? Similarly, here, Vasudeva is bending his head and doing Kritanjali. Kritanjali hi astaut avadharya purusham. Vasudeva's stuti is going to start.